Let's take a look at Spanner. So Cloud Spanner is a fully managed relational database service that is both strongly consistent and horizontally scalable. Its key features is that it ensures data is instantly replicated across all regions using Google's atomic clock system called TrueTime. Supports globally consistent reads and distributed transactions across regions, automatically manages replication, sharding, and performance optimizations based on data size and load, provides synchronous data replication across independent zones or fault tolerance. When I first used Spanner, there was only one flavor of SQL. It was some SQL, like Google's own SQL flavor. Now they have Postgres support or Postgres compatible support, which seems very similar to AlloyDB, except AlloyDB literally works perfectly with Postgres, whereas this one's Postgres-esque, but doesn't always work as expected. So I was very frustrated using Postgres utilizing the Spanner. But again, Spanner is what it is. It's pretty good. Let's take a look at its architecture. So data is in a regional instance. It is distributed across multiple zones for fault tolerance. For each zone has compute nodes for query processing and data management. Compute handles queries, ensures strong consistency using Google's TrueTime, stores data in a distributed way and durable way replicated across zones. Spanner synchronously replicates data across zones while automatically scaling compute and storage based on demand. Okay.